Hello everyone, welcome back to Ready Kid Foods, a channel of easy recipes, quick recipes, breakfast ideas, African traditional recipes, and modern. If at all you have not subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing to this YouTube channel with amazing videos. For my returning viewers, thank you so much for your support. For returning subscribers, thank you so much. Please view my videos, give them a like, and share as much as you can. And uh, if at all you are not a member in this channel, please browse the membership pack so that you can join the family and get extra exclusive services in this channel. So guys, today I'm back with this recipe. I want to make some quick snack, and this snack I'm going to do is on potato roll snack. So stay tuned and let's cook. So guys, these are the ingredients I'm going to use. I have some pieces of carrots here, fresh carrots. I have some onions. These are spring onions. And these are the potatoes. Remember, I've told you I'm going to make some potato rolls snack. So stay tuned. So guys, I'll start just by grating potatoes. Guys, this I'm going to add everything in here. Next, I will continue with my carrots. I will grate my carrots, and I guess this is enough, guys. So guys, we're approaching our Christmas season, festive season. Please watch this video until the end. It can help you make some snacks, simple snacks for your children when you are going out or when you're going for picnic. So these are my spring onions. So I'm going to add them in the mix as well. So stay tuned. So guys, I will add my spring onions. Next, some salt to taste. Half tablespoon of salt to taste. I will add. You can use either turmeric or paprika to give it a good color and the taste as well. And then I have cornstarch. So these are the spices I'm using for this bowl. Full tablespoon of cornstarch. And then I have all-purpose flour, just a cup. So you mix up everything first before you add some eggs to it. This recipe is so nice. So stay tuned and make sure you prepare it for your family over Christmas. This is some guys from today. Ready Kids Foods will be giving you Christmas recipes. So stay tuned. Add in my 3 eggs. So the number of eggs will depend on the size of or the volume of your mix. So guys, these are potato balls snack. So once you do this now, you can just heat your oil now ready to make the balls. So stay tuned. I'll now make the balls. If you want them to be of the same size, you make sure this is a little bit bigger. So you make sure you use a certain whatever. Then so guys, this is how we make the balls. After making these balls now, we are going to deep fry them. They're going to dip them inside the oil and let them cook. So stay tuned. So guys, after making the balls, so what you do, snack you should prepare for your family. Look at them. Look how amazing they look. So guys, we are done. Look at my balls. Everything's so nice. Oh, you can see. So stay tuned still, guys. And then, once you see the other side is cooked, you turn the other way. Stay tuned, guys. Have a look at my balls. These are potato roll balls. A very nice snack, very yummy, very nice. Please, 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 this Christmas season, if you have kids, organize something nice like this. So stay tuned still. Guys, these things are so nice, these rolls. So maybe let me just try this and you see. Whoa, can just have a look and see how yummy it looks. So nice, so nice, so nice, guys. Let's try this. Hey, wow. Hmm. Please view this video, give it a thumbs up, and mostly try it out. So nice, so yummy. It's very, very easy to do. It's an easy recipe. So all this you can only find them from Rebikit Foods. So share this video as much as you can. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let's meet on another video. Bye bye.